Students, welcome back to Genius Teaching. Today in this video we will do back exercise of chapter weight, volume and density. Let's start. Firstly, we will do multiple choice question answer. Our first question is, if an object has a weight of 10 kg and a volume of 5 liter, what is its density? A 5 kg per liter, B 10 kg per liter, C 2 kg per liter, D 0.5 kg per liter. Right answer is C 2 kg per liter. Next question. An object has a density of 8 kg per liter. It will dash. A float in water, B first sink and then float, C. Sink in water, D. First float and then sink. Next question. What is the force that makes wood immersed in water come up? A. Muscular force, B. Frictional force, C. Buoyant force, D. Gravitational force. Right answer is buoyant force. Next question. If an object floats in water dash, A. It is less dense than water, B. It is denser than water, C. It displaces more water than an object that sinks, D. It is heavier than water. Right answer is A. It is less dense than water. Next question. When you put a brick in water, what happens to the level of water? A. It rises up. B. It first rises and then goes down. C. It remains the same. D. It goes down. Right answer is A. It rises up. Next question. In water, an object dash. A. Weighs more than it does in air. B. Weight less than it does in air. C. It weighs less. D. Always sinks. Right answer is B. Weight less than it does in air. Next question. An object weighs 12 kg in air and displaces 3 kg of water when immersed in water. Its apparent weight in water is A. 12 kg, B. 3 kg, C. 15 kg, D. 9 kg. Right answer is D. 9 kg. Next, we will do fill in the blanks. A. Different materials have different volume for the same dash. Answer is weight. Next, equal dash of different materials have different weight. Answer volume. Next, weight divided by volume gives the dash of a substance. Answer density. Next, the density of water is dash kg per liter. Answer 1. Next, the weight of an object in water is equal to its weight in air minus dash. Answer upthrust. Next, we will do questions and answers. Our first question is, what do you mean by density? How is knowledge of density useful in finding out if a substance will float or sink in water? Answer. The density of substance is the weight of unit volume of the substance, or density is equal to weight upon volume. The density of water is 1 kg per liter. This means 1 liter of water weight 1 kg. An object that is denser than water will sink in water, and an object that is less dense than water will float in water. Next question. State Archimedes principle. Answer. According to the Archimedes principle, when an object is immersed in water, the upthrust is equal to the weight of water displaced by it. Next question. What are the rules for floating and sinking according to the Archimedes principle? Answer. The rules of floating and sinking according to Archimedes principle are: if the weight of an object is more than the upthrust, the object sinks in water. Next, if the upthrust is more than the weight of an object, the object floats in water. Next question. Iron is denser than water, so it sinks in water. But a boat made out of iron floats in water. Why? Answer. This is because of its shape. A ship is hollow. When the ship is in water, the entire volume of the ship, including the hollow portion, displaces water to make space for itself. Thus, the volume water displaced is much more than the volume of iron used in the ship. So, according to Archimedes' principle, the upthrust is also very high, more than the weight of the ship. Therefore, the ship floats in water. Next question. When an object is immersed in water, why does its weight go down? How much weight it loads? Answer. According to Archimedes' principle, if an object is immersed in a fluid, it experiences an apparent loss of weight which is equal to the weight of fluids displaced. The buoyancy force which acts in the upward direction opposite to the weight of the object causes the apparent loss in weight. The loss of weight of an object when immersed in water is known as apparent loss in weight. Apparent loss in weight is equal to weight in air minus apparent weight is equal to weight of water displaced. Dear students, if you want to see more videos of science, then subscribe my channel Genius Teaching. Thank you for watching this video. Students, welcome back.